In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to fix your Wi-Fi is not showing in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, you need to navigate at the start icon. Please make a right click, scroll up and click on Device Manager. In a few moments, you would be able to bring up a new window which is the Device Manager. Okay, like this. So all you need to do is you need to navigate to the option called Network Adapters. Now click on this forward arrow and here you need to proceed to the wireless LAN card. So just observe if there is a yellow triangle being attached to it. Again, in my case, I don't have any because my Wi-Fi is showing and I don't get an error. But if you have seen a yellow triangle here, all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with uninstall device. Again, go with uninstall device and click on uninstall. But before that, you need to make sure that this is not unchecked or enable. Uninstall, and once you have uninstalled it, don't worry because the moment you will click your network adapters, just make a right click and go with scan for hardware changes and eventually it will be automatically installed again and the yellow triangle would be removed here. Okay? Once done, close the window and please wait for a few seconds and your Wi-Fi icon will be showing here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Your Wi-Fi will be showing here. The second method that you can do is at the bottom search bar here, please type for control panel. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear. Once it's here, please click on open to continue. So from here, please change the view into large icons. Go with large icons and it will look like this. Once you're good, proceed with network and sharing center, which is in my case, it is being placed at the third row next to indexing option. In a few moments, you will be redirected to this one. All you need to do is you need to navigate to the left pane and select for change adapter settings. Okay, so this window would appear which where it contains all of the network adapter, the network, the Wi-Fi that your laptop has been connecting to. Okay, so one of the factor why you face an error, which is your Wi-Fi is not showing, if you is you have disabled that one here. Okay, so it is very important to make a right click and go with enable device. Okay, I mean, I have enabled that and it's showing in my case. That's why it says here disable. But if you in your case you face an error, it will mark here enable. So meaning you just have to click on it and if it will confirm your action, go with it, click on yes and wait for a few seconds and it will be enabled and your Wi-Fi will be showing as well. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.